What is up, Kaden Army? It's your boy Kaden back in the house. In today's video, we are looking at more stupid people with boats. If you're stupid and you own a boat, it is not a good thing. Trust me, I know. And by that, I mean I have no idea. No, I have a bunch of model ships, and, where was I going with that? Anyways, let's get into the video. It's like SpongeBob. No, not yeah, bud. Could you imagine that if I hit someone with a hammer? Just said, you okay, bud? Yeah, bro, I'm all good. Don't have a hand, but other than that, I'm fine. Like, could you imagine that? No! It looks like a scorpion. How did that happen? Oh, dear. It's like a low-budget Titanic. Look, there's even a T for Titanic. Oh, don't do it, man. Come on, come on. No, no, no. Oh, well. Oh, it's still going? Okay, just let it go. At this point, just let it go. Congratulations, you turned it to a corp. Is that an entrance? Is that like a hidden boat entrance? I'm gonna sound so stupid in this video. See, most of the time you actually have to be worried about the dock, not the boat. The boat's made out of shiny blue metal that only rich people have. And the dock is just made out of plywood. Don't worry about the boat, worry about the dock! Are they doing it again? What's their goal for this? And why do they have TVs on the boat? I guess that'd be a ship, wouldn't it? Whatever.
Getting the concrete now.
What's the point of this?
What's going on?
Yes! What is going on? Your boat has bullet holes in it. The windows are made out of televisions, and you have a hidden entrance in a boat hitting plywood. What are you doing? It just ends there. Siri, what happens to the ship made out of expensive things?
Absolutely nothing.
Thank you. I think I broke my microphone. I can hear. I can't. Hello? Hello? Okay, it's still working, but I can hear. I think I broke. How in the world do you manage to do that? How do you spear a car with a boat? I have so many questions about this video. What is that? What was that? This is not very deep. Did the boat just float away? You're gonna swim to that boat that's going 50 times as fast as you? Just go in your truck or take the other boat. Go get it. You're not gonna swim as fast as that boat's going. Come on, man. What happened? What happened? What's happening? Thank you so much for watching, Kaden Army. I'm going to leave it there, because I can't take it anymore. Otherwise, I'll become someone from Pirates of the Caribbean. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm pretty sure I broke my microphone. Mr. Kaden is out!